squirrels. I'm going to do a 0 to 75 acceleration. I've got installed Dr. Pulley 21 gram sliders. Go! And there we go, that's 50. That's 60, 65, 70, 75. This is indicated on the bike, which is a bit optimistic, fair enough. But, so we're doing 75 now, and the rev counter is sitting in between 5.2 and 5.4. True mileage, true speed is 70. We'll just send her on a little bit and I'll show you that. Increase the speed. So that's off the revs a bit. Yeah, just over 6,000 at 90. But yeah, sitting at 75 indicated, 5,000 to 5,004, something like that. It's saying 17 litres per mile currently. That's probably well in excess of 70 to the gallon. I've done 17 miles since I filled it. And yeah, it's fine. I'll keep my 75 up here, and because I'm going downhill slightly, and I've settled my speed down, I fully expect that 17 litres to the gallon, 17 miles per litre to go up. That's made a lot. Oh, it's 17.1, yeah. So it shows you it's doing around 17 litres per mile. No, 17 miles per litre. Get it right. Which I think, if you multiply 17 by 4.54 to turn it into gallons, I know it's mid-70s. Not far from where I live is this hill. It's called, nicknamed Hamburger Hill, because it's McDonald's is on it, but it's one of the steepest in Cornwall. I've hit the bottom, I've pinned the throttle, I'm doing a, doesn't look much on the camera, but I'm telling you, this is a really steep hill. Just under 80 now. .76, and it's climbing again now. It's going to go back up to 80. So yeah, that is one of the steepest in Cornwall. And it didn't lose a lot in top gear coming up it. So there you go, Dr. Pulley sliders, 21 gram. I put a new belt on it, and yeah, it regularly does well over 70 to the gallon, doing anywhere in between, indicated anywhere between 60 and 80 miles on the speedo indicated. So yeah, I reckon if you're a stone or so heavier than me, I would go for either 19 or 20s. But I'll just show you, I'm going left here, I'll just show you acceleration again. And then you can say whether you think it's much slower than yours. There we go, 50, 60, 70, 5, 80. As I say, when I bought it, it had completely wrong rollers in it. It would go like stink, but by the time you got to 60, it was doing 7,500 revs. And that's so you're cruising at 60, it's doing nearly 7,000 revs. I mean, it's nuts off. So I mean, now this is doing 75, and it's only doing 5.2, 5.4. There you go. Hope that helps. Ride safe, my friend. Catch you again.